We are currently trying to square this frame here.
Not trying, we did.
We squared You're just tightening the perimeter and you can't catch his butt crack.
No, I'm trying to get out of the shot.
Quick cut where it's cut.
Sick, eh?
Like it's... But when Paul gets here, I'm gonna double check and make sure that Paul thinks his height's okay before we commit the camera, you know what I'm saying? Still get it ready so you know how to connect it, yeah. Because it looks like a good height anyways, because that camera, we want to see their faces, and if we go lower, it's gonna be...
Stays.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put a hole in the table to hide the wires so they don't go across the table, so we're just trying to find a grommet so we could drill a hole, put the grommet, and then put the wires through. The lower I go with the camera, the more it'll get blocked by someone here. This is basically the camera's right here, right now. To catch faces best, if I bring this down for necks, I'm gonna lose faces. I'll finish this configuration once I pass it through the wall. I gotta get a plate on the back. We're gonna go get lunch, put the plate in the back, pass the wires.
You guys get lunch?
Through here, yeah, seriously. We're gonna grab the emulator, both screens will be on, and then we're gonna drill the holes like my grommet shove tomorrow. Then I'll have this one here, one at the other end, and then we'll make the call and test it. But you guys did the hardest part now and the camera did come up, so.
Place your bets. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Man. Oh man, VGA by a mile. Some had legs. We need the zippy dies. Yeah, I'm not sure if this will separate from this. Yeah. I'll see if maybe I can pull it out. So it's probably doable, but it would be undoing all of that. It looks like there's a screw there.
That has to come pre-wired.
To take that off. I think it would be, because you look at here, it's like Extron. They're branded as Extron, which is an Extron piece. I almost guarantee you order a VGA blade, a Ethernet blade, a freaking HDMI. I'm willing to bet that's what this is. If anything, I think the bottom is wider than our top, but not by much. And that might be what's affecting our lower corners though.
Connecting. Connection successful.
Boom. Did you capture that?
Mm-hmm. Screen all up, trim on it, projector Projector shooting in. We need one part to make something else work. We'll get tomorrow. It's getting there.